Beginning with the simulation problems. Strong is a dentist who schedules all her patients for 30 minutes appointments. Some of the patients take more or less than 30 minutes depending on the type of the dental work to be done. The following summary shows the various categories of work, their probabilities and the time actually needed to complete the work. This is the category filling, crown, cleaning, extraction or checkup. The time required is given and the probability of the category is given. This table would be elaborated further. In this case, after the probability, we are going to calculate the cumulative probability and the assigning of the random numbers. See the question. Simulate the dentist clinic for 4 hours and determine the average waiting time for the patients as well as the idleness of the doctor. Assume, so we have to calculate the average waiting time as well as idleness of the doctor. Assume that all the patients show up at the clinic at exactly their scheduled arrival time starting at 8 am. So schedule will be started at 8 am. Use the following random numbers for handling the above problem. So this is the random numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 random numbers are given in the question. Just see. So that table is being further elaborated. Random numbers are assigned. After this, let it be. These random numbers are given in the question. The patients are there 1 to 8 and the scheduled arrival time. 8 बजे पहला पेशेंट आता है, अगला आएगा 8:30 बिकॉज हाफ आवर का 30 मिनट्स का टाइम एज्यूम किया हुआ है. 8 बजे फर्स्ट पेशेंट आया, 8:30 पे नेक्स्ट आया, 9 o'clock नेक्स्ट आया थर्ड वन, फोर्थ पेशेंट इज अराइविंग एट 9:30 एंड इट गोज ऑन टिल 11:30. नाउ this is the category or the service time needed 40. Just see in the random number table. So when we are going to see for this 40, it is crown. Crown is for 60 minutes. Then next one 82. 82 would be in the checkup. And checkup is for 15 minutes. Then 11. 11 is going to be for filling and the time taken is 45 minutes. 34 is also for filling. Time is 45 minutes. 25 is also for filling and the time is 45 minutes. 66, it would lie in cleaning and the time is 15 minutes. Just see over here. 66. This is for cleaning and the time is 15 minutes. Then 17. 17 would be for filling and the time is 45 minutes. 79, it would be in extraction and the time is 45 minutes. From this table, next table would be the patient, arrival, service starts, service time, service ends, waiting in minutes, this is for the patient, and the idle time, this is for the doctor. So let's see. For the first patient, the arrival is at 8. The service starts at 8. Service time needed, let's see in the previous table, that is 60 minutes. 60 minutes and the service ends at 9. Waiting time for patient is nil and the idle time for the doctor is also nil. Second, 8:30 पे अराइवल हुआ है. जो पेशेंट का सर्विस टाइम है दैट स्टार्ट्स एट 9. सर्विस रिक्वायर्ड इज फॉर फ्रॉम दिस टेबल, सर्विस इज फॉर 15 मिनट्स. सर्विस एंड्स एट 9:15. सो द वेटिंग ऑफ दिस पेशेंट वॉज 8:30 पे वो आया था, 9 o'clock उसकी सर्विस स्टार्ट हुई है, दैट इज 30 मिनट्स. ठीक है, यू कैन इवन राइट ओनली 30 बिकॉज मिनट्स अपन ने ऊपर लिख दिए हैं. आइडल टाइम ऑफ द डॉक्टर इज निल. 9 के बाद नेक्स्ट उसका पेशेंट 9 o'clock ही आया है, 9:15 पे वो एंड हुआ है. तो नाउ फॉर द थर्ड वन, The service is going to start at 9:15. This thing we have already done in sequencing chapter also. 9:15, and the time required in this case is 45 minutes, and the service is going to end at 10. So just see, the arrival of the patient is at 9, service starts at 9:15, and the waiting time is 15. जो डॉक्टर है उनकी सर्विस जो है 9:15 पे एंड हुई है, नेक्स्ट पेशेंट उनका 9:15 पे स्टार्ट हो गया है, आइडल टाइम इज निल. नाउ 9:30 पे नेक्स्ट पेशेंट आ रहा है, एंड दिस डॉक्टर he starts the service at 10. Time required is, service time is 45 minutes. Service ends at 10:45. Now in this case, is there any waiting time for the patient? 9:30 पे आया है, 10 बजे उसकी सर्विस स्टार्ट हो रही है. That is going to be 30. Idle time for the doctor is nil. Similarly, we are going to complete the whole table. So the whole table is done. In this case, this is the total waiting time for all the patients. Let it be the total is 285. So now in this case, the average waiting time for the patient would be, 285 divided by 8. So that is 35.625 minutes. Now another thing was average waiting time for the idle time. It's not the waiting time, it would be the idle time. Waiting time is for the patient, idle time is for the doctor. So since in all the cases the doctor was having the continuous patients, so idle time is nil. Till then, continue with your practice.